Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable navigation pane in File Explorer on Windows 10 PC. So first of all, open File Explorer. Now in here click on View tab, and here is the option navigation pane. So click on this tiny drop down menu icon and click on navigation pane. That's it. By easy and simple setting, open File Explorer, click on View tab, and in the navigation option click on navigation pane, so it will be enabled. And if you want to disable, so uncheck this box. So that's it friend. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for latest update.